In recent years, Dubai has experienced an increase in the frequency and intensity of floods. According to a report by the Indian Express, the city received 150 millimeters of rain in just 3 hours, leading to waterlogging and traffic disruptions. The impact of these floods is significant, with over 1,200 emergency calls received by the Dubai police. The authorities have been working to address the challenges posed by the flooding, with teams deployed to pump out water from affected areas. The increasing urbanization and climate change are believed to be contributing factors to the flooding in Dubai.